morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I'm multitasking as usual. That's what you girl go around here, non-stop multitasking. I just finished getting my workout in. What happened?
Is it on?
The stove is on, so you're running?
Yes,
you
because
guys.
I don't want to burn myself.
No, Mama won't make you burn yourself. I just finished working out and about to make my breakfast and give Sarah lunch. So it's Sarah lunch hour and my breakfast hour. I slept in a bit this morning because your girl still didn't recover from the hiking. So I had to take a little extra in this morning. As I rest yesterday, I had to take a day off after the hiking because trust me, it took a toll on my body. So I had to rest it out. So I did just that and returned today and double up. Tyler, shh. Return today and double up workout and shut it up, get it in. I'll show you guys a little of what I did. Kitchen about to make me some egg and spinach. Egg and spinach omelette. So I have olive oil and I'm gonna add the spinach in there, and then I'm gonna add 2 eggs, and that will be my first, well, that will be my breakfast. And then I mixed my green juice this morning, so I think I'll make my green juice after I have my breakfast, and then have a late lunch. So that's how the morning is gonna go. But everybody is good, everybody is up and about, and Babe was up with the kiddos on the morning shift this morning, and I now take over the second part of the shift. Come and say good morning to the faves. Come before I put the thing in the stove, in the pot. Say morning, faves. So I'm using one hand of spinach. Yes, Dad.
You're making breakfast?
For myself.
Oh.
You already have breakfast, right?
Yes.
What did you have for breakfast? She's done. There she is. She's not even blinking. She's in her zone. Okay, there goes the omelets, and I'm gonna add cheese to that. I'm gonna add my cheese on top of the spinach. If you guys know anything about me, you know that I love avocado. I just can't seem to find a good avocado. I'm gonna have to buy the big ones because these little ones, look, it's not ripe but it's spoiled. How does that even make sense? If you see the inside, it's literally red. If you eat this, it make you sick. I was gonna eat avocado with my breakfast, with my egg, but I changed my mind. I'll just have the omelette alone. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna have breakfast and look after my babies. They are playing.
Look at his tail, spiky. And this
Look at all this waste. I can't eat that avocado. Look at all this waste. I'm so mad. So mad.
Mama, you can't eat those.
I can't eat.
I can have no papa, no mama if papa and mama eat those.
Turn on the TV.
Mama.
Say morning to the faves. Look, see faves there? Say morning.
One day, can you help me? today can you help me to find my coloring books?
Okay, remind me, okay? Have any of you been feeding your kids food and they sneeze on you and all the food just go all over your face, all over everywhere? That's what just happened to me.
So I did that to Mama. It was so funny. I turned the pull off at that time.
You guys, I am making, or I'm about to make, and you guys drum roll, coconut drops. So I am going to go ahead and go outside and break my coconut and start cutting them up. And if you guys want to know how I make my coconut drops, please go over to Mel's Kitchen Jamaica and you'll find this recipe along with a lot more other recipes that I create on my own and my method of cooking things, both Jamaican and non-Jamaican food, but mostly Jamaican food. Anyway, you guys, let's get these drops going, shawty. I'm excited. It's been a minute. You know, sometimes you're home and you just want a little taste of something sweet, or you just want a little taste of home. So let's go get these drops going. I hope my coconut's good. Yeah, the outside I broke coconut. Let me see how I'm gonna do this. If me the home in the country, me just go outside and a big stone and slap the coconut and it break down. But since me not no big stone here, so me have to go break it outside on my tile. But it should be fine. Oh, we can get some coconut. Yes, goody. He broke. Why? Why? Me where's me coconut water? Oh. Oh God, it's sweet like. I brought this again. It's a coconut water sweet like Go try a hook so that me see if me can get all the water out of the one, yeah. Yes, good there. Good there. Yes. Get a nice amount out of this one. Tyler, come drink coconut water. Come here. Please. You don't like it?
Yes, I don't like it. Mama?
Yes.
You should have used this more to break the coconut.
It tastes so good.
You should have used this to
no,
break
this can't use. And you know, it's my first time buying dry coconut at the supermarket. And normally I see jelly coconut and I don't buy it. I think I should try it.
Mama, look, it says Mondo.
I'm gonna leave some of the coconut water for babe.
Look,
and see if he like it.
Mondo.
Yes.
Mondo, not Mondo. Mondo. Wow, that's a big smash. I'm going for the piece over there.
No, it's dangerous. Stay here.
You did a big mess.
Okay, I want you to taste the coconut. Bite it.
I feel I'm not going to like it.
It's coconut. It's coconut.
It's so tough.
Duh. This coconut is so good, it comes right out of the hooks.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
Yes.
Really, Tyler? Look,
Yeah.
look at it. He threw it up and give it back to me. Say hello to the player. Hi. You look so sweet when you're just sweet. I mean, extra sweet. Okay, this is coconut water.
Okay.
It's the water that was inside of the dried coconut.
Okay.
Taste it.
It's like the same than the green one?
Taste it, you tell me.
Okay, it's fine.
It's sweet.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes good, no?
Mm-hmm.
Tyler don't like it.
Also the coconut.
Tyler don't like the coconut before it cooks, so let's see if he's gonna like it when it cooks.
Okay, so I can taste one piece like this.
Alright.
You eat the skin too?
Is that the skin is just like a coconut inside itself?
It tastes like coconut, but it's like you know when you eat raw vegetables the same? It's the same, like raw carrot or...
Tyler, chew it up and spit it out and give it back to me.
Tyler, what is it?
Yeah, you're right. It's like raw carrot. It's chunky like raw carrot, but I'm gonna cook it.
Not now.
Tyler, Papa just wake up. Give him a break, please. So babe like the coconut water. I know he would, but Tyler is not a fan.
What is... You gonna do something special?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, coconut cake.
It's like not coconut cake, but it can call a coconut cake.
Okay.
Not an actual gateau, but
Anything to eat for lunch?
food in the fridge. That's what we have going on here. Those looks so good. They look so good. Oh my gosh. I had to put 3 in a plate because I didn't want to jumble this up too much. So this is what our drop's gonna look like. We're going to make them cool and then we will taste test. In the kitchen, I'm getting dinner ready at the moment, and I am not doing any big cooking really because I have a few leftover spaghetti from yesterday that I'm gonna warm for the boys, and I'm just having a salad for myself. And then I felt to try planting, so I'm doing that. I'm trying a planting, which we all gonna enjoy. And I had some chicken that I need to fry that was in the fridge, so I'm doing that. So our dinner is just gonna be a mix up of everything for everybody tonight. So let me show you guys what I'm up to.
Everybody has some.
Alright you guys, here goes dinner. Babe just said what a pretty plate, and I completely agree. So that's mine without the spaghetti. That's babe with just a little touch of spaghetti. And that's Tyler's with all the spaghetti. I think Tyler gonna ask for tomato, but I'll give it to him in a bit. Anyway you guys, it's group time. Sarah! Look at her down there by herself. Sarah! You want dinner? And of course I'm gonna have to put some of the spaghetti on the side for Sarah. What you're gonna say?
Cheers.
To
Life,
love
love,
and forever.
health, and everything good.
You guys were having wine and chill tonight. Date night as usual when the kids are in bed. That's what we do on the
About to go
weekend.
watch a movie.
Which series you watching?
We start to watch Blacklist.
Bad.
We like it for now. We like it
Love
for now.
it. Love it. So we're having white wine, our favorite.
Yeah,
and
we have
nuts,
some nuts,
mixed nuts,
and we have
and coconut drops. Anyway guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. The Jamaican word for today is coconut drops, and if you don't know how to make coconut drops, head over to Mel's Kitchen Jamaica and it will be all there waiting for you. And if it's not there yet, it will come, don't worry yourself. Anyway you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Oh sorry, what's the French word for today?
Santé.
Santé means
Health, but that's the way when we cheers we say santé, health.
Alright you guys, if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.